Teacher Ivy, and I'm here to give you some tips on some ways on which you can improve or ace your job interview. Passing a job interview is every fresh graduate's dilemma. Being able to enter a reputable company is not an easy task, but do not fret. There are ways in which, as a job hunter, you can overcome such obstacles. Here are a few tips on how to face the horror also known as job interview. Okay, first one. Get the details of your job interview right. Take down the following info: name of interviewer, company address and venue of the interview, and the job description of the position you are applying for. Ask valuable questions about the company and the position you are applying to show your interest in the job. Okay. Third one, familiarize yourself about important information regarding the company, such as industry background, company history, job description, and top manager's name. Number 4, brush up on your English communication skills. Prepare for the interview by doing some practice or mock interviews with your friends. Number 5, dress to impress. Get enough rest before the day of the interview, and wear the corporate clothing you are most comfortable in. Number 6, anticipate questions during the interview. Know how your skills and capabilities fit into the position you desire and your possible contributions to the company's advancement. Okay, here are some sample questions for interviews. First one, what are your strengths and weaknesses? What are your key achievements, and what experiences can you take with you to your new workplace? Okay, acing the job interview is tricky, especially for fresh graduates who are yet to experience working in the company. However, with enough preparation, confidence, and presence of mind, entering the company you aspire will be less challenging. Happy job hunting and good day to you. Thank you.